Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on the miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples when they were on earth. We're going through the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and the Acts of the Holy Spirit and pulling out all of those accounts so that we can build our faith. So come with me. And if you want more people to hear God talking to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you now to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 1 from verse 40 to verse 45. One fussy skin man come to Jesus. Him go down upon him knee and beg Jesus for help him. Him say, if you want to cure me and make me clean, you have the power to do it. Jesus feels sorry for the man. So him stretch out him hand and touch him and say, "Mo want you to get clean. Go on, you better know." The man get better same time and his skin get clean. Same time Jesus want him have trang and send him away. Jesus tell him say, make sure say you not say nothing to nobody about this. Now that you get better, just go and go show yourself to the priest and carry sacrifice when Moses' law say you forgive when your skin get better. That will show everybody say you get clean. But the man left and start praying to everybody where Jesus do for him. So from that, Jesus couldn't go in no town, make nobody see him. Him have to turn in at the country part, far from the town. But people still keep on a come to him from all about. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.